Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about two powerhouses, Polygon, Matic and Avalanche AVAX. Which one is set to explode next? Could be in for some shocking moves from these two blockchains. Well, let's break it all down with the insights and prediction you need. Let's kick things off with a quick refresher on what these two platforms bring to the table, starting with Polygon or Matic. Polygon is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Its goal is to make transactions faster and cheaper while still benefiting from Ethereum's security. With Ethereum 2.0 still in development, Polygon has grown massively as a scaling solution supporting various steps, DeFi protocols and NFTs. We have Avalanche. Avalanche is a direct competitor to Ethereum, operating as a one blockchain. Its claim to fame is being one of the fastest smart contract platforms, low fees and high scalability. It built with a unique consensus mechanism and subnets architecture, allowing different blockchains to operate on one ecosystem. We've got Matic boosting Ethereum's performance and AVAX trying to outdo Ethereum altogether. Both are serious contenders, but which one could explode in 2024? Now let's talk market trends. Both Matic and AVAX have had their fair share of volatility in 2023. But what's really interesting are the developments that could send these tokens soaring. For Polygon, here's what stands out. zKEVM Rollup. Their move towards zero-knowledge technology, specifically the zKEVM, is a game changer. This is crucial for privacy, scaling, and interoperability. Once fully adopted, this could attract more developers and projects to Polygon. Institutional adoption. We've seen some big partnerships with major brands like Nike, Reddit, and Starbucks using Polygon network and NFTs and Web3 services. On the other hand, Avalanche is not sitting still. Avalanche Rush, their DeFi incentive program, has brought a lot of liquidity and attention to the ecosystem. It's got some heavy hitters in the DeFi space working in it, and the incentives could drive AVAX price higher. Partnerships with Amazon. This was a huge move. Their partnership to help institutions launch blockchain solutions with AVAX is a long-term bullish indicator. Both networks are pushing major innovations, but which one has the edge? Let's dive into the numbers. Tokenomics play a huge role in price movements, and both Matic and AVAX has very different approaches. Matic total supply 10 billion, circulating supply is close to 93%. Polygon staking rewards are growing. Use in DeFi are helping lock up a lot of Matic, which could cause supply shock down the line. AVAX total supply 720 million, but with AVAX we have a burning mechanism. Every transaction burns AVAX, reducing total supply over time. This deflationary model could make AVAX increasingly scarce, which is bullish factor for long-term holders. The big question is, will Matic high supply limit its price potential, or will AVAX's burn mechanism give it the upper hand? Alright, I know you're all waiting for the big questions. What are the price predictions for 2024? Let's start with Matic. Analysts are forecasting a $2.50 to a $5 price for Matic by the end of 2024, assuming Ethereum 2.0 doesn't fully solve its scaling issues and Polygon continues to be a go-to solution. Now for AVAX. AVAX is seeing predictions anywhere from $40 to $75 thanks to its subnets, DeFi growth, and of course that burn mechanism reducing the total supply. But remember, this is crypto crypto, anything can happen. These are just forecasts, and we always need to factor in market conditions, regulation changes, and of course Bitcoin's influence. So which one is more likely to explode next? Polygon, Matic, or Avalanche AVAX? Here's my take. If you're betting on Ethereum's long-term dominance and the need for scalability, Matic could be a better play, especially with institutional interest. If you're more bullish on a future where multiple blockchains coexist and DeFi continues to grow, then AVAX, with its burn mechanism and rapid transaction speeds, might be the rocket you want to ride. In my opinion, both have the potential for explosive growth, but AVAX may have a slight edge for 2024, thanks to its deflationary tokenomics and partnerships like Amazon. Check out that video I have up there if you want to check out Rex's Finance. Now over to you. What's your take? Will Matic or AVAX see a bigger explosion for 2024? Let me know in the comments below this video, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you want more in-depth crypto insights like this one. Also keep an eye out for our updates on my very own crypto's Cobra token. More exciting news coming soon. Until next time, stay sharp and stay crypto savvy.